Alright, here's the unboxing of the home theater projector by RCA. I picked this up here from my local Walmart. Alright, real quick, I'm just gonna go right ahead into it. You feel me? About to get right into it. Alright. Basically, pop the box open. And it came packaged very neatly. You know what I'm saying? One pull out the box, nothing left in there. I say that's... Alright, we got up to 150 picture size. 150 inches, my bad. 2 HDMI ports. 50,000 hours of LED lamp light. And it's Bluetooth compatible. Alright, the first thing we got is the instructions. You feel me? I ain't gonna read that shit, but you know, you read that. Make sure you don't look straight into the bug. That's the most important thing. Alright, and then let me look through it right quick. Let me see. Yeah, it's looking a little bit valuable, so you might want to tap into the instructions just in case. You know, I ain't gonna read too much of this, but if you don't know anything about it, you might want to pick up that manual and use it for yourself. Alright, and the next thing we got is the power cord. You feel me? Nice and neat wrapped. We got remote control. I believe it takes 2 AAA batteries. You know, and they packaged this thing very nice. I'm just letting y'all know it's just packaged too well. Like no damages. Make sure you get your 2 AAA batteries, by the way, because they do not come with them. Alright. We're gonna move on from that. The next thing inside the box is the projector. See, it comes with a lens cap. It looks nice and clean. It look a nice value. It doesn't look like dirt freaking cheap. It is lightweight and it's not super freaking small. Like, it seemed like you spent a couple dollars on it, I guess. You know. This is all the controls or whatever to the projector. Your VCA cord. You got your AV cord, your headphone plug, your SD card plug. Then you got the 2 HDMI cords. You know, so it's not a bad projector. Like, $100, that's not bad. Basically, it just comes with the remote, the power cord, and the projector. Really everything you need for the projector. It's a great replacement for any TVs in the house. I'm going to throw in a clip of the projector showing here. Well, it's not 4K picturing, but it is decent so far. Like, the colors look the colors. It's not like an off color, right? Look, even the YouTube sign still looks the same, so... yeah, not bad for 80 bucks. So if you bust your TV or some shit like that, grab $80, go to your local Walmart, purchase this projector, and hook it up. And there you go. So